Okay, so all these three working notes are done. Let me take you back to the working note, everyone. Working note number one was calculation of single room days, right? So this was our calculation, 10,800 single room days. Okay, next was room attendant salary. So this was our answer, 54,000. Either of the working note you could have referred. Okay. Then lighting expenses, this was the calculation. Okay. They had said 4 months they will charge 30 rupees and balance 8 months will be charged with 120 rupees. Okay. Fine. So our answer was 36,000. Okay. So today we have to make, prepare the hotel cost sheet, and they have asked us to calculate the room rent of the during the seasons and off seasons. Okay, we haven't done this type of sum before where we calculate the seasons and the off seasons rent. Okay, so start. Make a hotel cost sheet. Write down hotel cost sheet of Bhattiwala Lodge for the year 31st March 2010. Hotel cost sheet of Batliwala Lodge for the year 31st March 2010. Okay. Make three columns, particulars, amount column, and the calculation of room days column. Number of room days. Okay. We even write a single room day. What was the answer? 10,800. You just write it there. I've highlighted in red. And now, start with staff salary. Lakh 75,000. These figures are given, okay? Yeah. Repairs to building, 1,30,500. Laundry, 40,000. Interior decoration, 87,500. Next, sundry expenses, 95,400. Then depreciation, 80 lakhs, 5%. That makes it to 4 lakhs. Okay. 80 lakhs, 5% is 4 lakhs. Then furniture, 20 lakhs, 15%. That makes it to 3 lakhs. Okay. So this is my fixed cost. Right? Then let us see the total. 3 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 95,400 plus 87,500 plus 40,000 plus 1,30,500 plus 2,75,000. So my answer is 13,28,400. My total fixed cost. 13,28,400. Okay. Right. Then do calculate the CPU column also. The last column. How do you calculate that? Amount divided by number of single room days. Okay, so what is my amount? Fixed cost 13,28,400 divided with 10,800 room days. So my answer is 123 rupees. Okay, this one. Fine. Is it clear? So fixed cost calculation is clear to everyone. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Thank you, Sayantan, Ushali, Nisha, Manav, and Prinati. Okay. Right? Thanks, Shreya. So now I'm moving on to the next, that is variable cost. So variable, so we have already calculated. We just have to paste it here, copy paste. Okay. Next, variable cost. Next, variable cost. Okay. Yeah. So variable cost, may I have only two expenses in the question. Room attendant salary, which we have calculated as per working note number 2, 54,000. Okay. And then as per working note number 3, we have calculated lighting expenses, 36,000. Okay. Just total them then, that's it. 54,000 plus 36,000 makes it to 90,000, 90. And then calculate the cost per unit for the same, divided by 10,800, 8.333. It is recurring, so I have put the recurring sign also. Okay, so this is my total variable cost. Fine. So is variable cost also clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Any doubts in variable cost? I mean, because last lecture we had done the working note of it, so I'm asking. Okay, fine. Thanks, dear. Thanks for the acknowledgement. Yeah, thanks. Okay, now what? Now we know what to do. Total cost, fixed plus variable. Okay, fixed plus variable. Fixed cost plus variable cost is total cost. Okay, so add it. Fixed plus variable, 90,000 variable cost plus 13,28,400 is my fixed cost. So my total cost is 14,18,400. Okay, 14,18,400. Then divide this with 10,800. So the answer is 131.333. So write it down. 131.333. Make it recurring, okay? It is recurring only. Next, profit. So profit and revenue, I mean room rent is not given, but we can find because they have given the ratio, the percentage with respect to it. So we can find that. Yeah, here it is. This one. Profit margin is targeted at 20% of room rent. Okay. So room rent means revenue. So revenue is how much? 100. I mean, it is the base, so I will take that as 100. Okay. So revenue is, I mean, room rent. I'm going to assume this is 100. This is 20. So 100 minus 20. This is 80. Okay. And then cross multiply. So 14 lakh 18,400 into 100 divided by 80. 17 lakh 73,000. Divided here. 17 lakh 73,000. Okay. Then we have to calculate profit. Okay. So either you cross multiply and calculate it, or selling price minus cost price is profit. Do it that way. Either of the one. So this is my selling price. This is my room rent minus my cost price. My cost price is my total cost, 14 lakh 18,400. So it is 3 lakh 54,600. Okay. So I did here 3 lakh 54,600. Okay. Divided with 10,800. So it is 32.8333. Okay. Then calculate 17 lakh 73,000 divided by 10,800. So this is 164.1666. 166, yeah. Is it clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Yeah, good. Thank you, students. Right. So, what have they asked you? I mean, what are you supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate this. This is what they wanted the answer. Season's rent and off season's rent. Okay, but we haven't got that answer yet. Okay, so ये जो हमारा final answer हमें मिला है, this one 164.16666. ये final answer. What is this? This is single room rent. Understood? Anybody has a doubt with respect to this? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Do you have a doubt for this particular thing what I wrote? 164.166 is not the season's rent or the off season's rent. It is the single room rent, because your last column is calculation of number of single room days. Your denominator is single room days. You have divided with that. So your final answer which you will get will be single room rent. Okay? Yeah. Okay, fine. Thanks for acknowledgement. Okay, so now how to calculate season's rent and off season's rent? Okay, so information is given with respect to that. There is an information in the question. I guess the first or the second line of the question mentions that. Yeah, see this line. Yeah, students, see this line which I'm highlighting now. It's in green. Just see this one. This one. During this period, that is which period? The off seasons period. During this period, half of the full room rent is charged. Okay, that is what they have said. So हमें सिर्फ इतना पता है कि ऑफ सीजन में रेंट आधा होता है. That's what it is said, right? During this period, that is off season period, the rent, whatever is the rent, is half. Okay, so can anyone guess the equation, how we will calculate this? What equation can you guess for this? Anyone? There's, I mean, what are they saying? Off season's rent is going to be half. Okay, so we don't know season's rent, we don't know off season's rent also. So can I say I don't know both the things, huh? So can I say, I mean, just see over the screen what I'm writing. Can I say season's rent plus off season's rent is equal to room rent? Everyone agrees to this equation? Understood this part? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. Can I say season's rent plus off season's rent मिला के दोनों को add करके it is equal to my room rent? Yeah. I'm waiting for the acknowledgement, students, then I'll move further because I have to make an equation out of this. Okay, Paushali, if you look into this, yeah, I will explain. Okay. See, how will you calculate room rent? What is room rent? Your revenue, correct? तुम्हारा sales है, तुम hotelier हो, तुम जब तक rooms rent पे नहीं दोगे customer को, तब तक तुमको sales नहीं, तुम्हारा sales नहीं होगा, मतलब revenue नहीं मिलेगा, correct? तो तुम्हारा जो room rent है, वो क्या होगा? Seasons तुम्हारा your calculation is divided as what? Seasons and off seasons. तो सीजन्स में जो तुम कमाते हो प्लस ऑफ सीजन्स में जो तुम कमाओगे, दोनों को मिला के तुम्हारा ईयरली रेंट होगा, रूम रेंट होगा. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? Paushali and Shreya, did you understand what I said? Okay, the seasons rent, okay, fine. Okay, both have understood. Great. Okay, now see what I'm saying. Okay, now what is the question saying? Don't write this thing. Huh? Just I'm just making it. I'm writing it on the screen so that you can understand. Later on, I'll tell you how to form the equation. Okay, just understand what I'm doing. Okay. Now, what is the question telling you? Question क्या बोलता है? Off season's rent half है. जो भी तुम रेंट चार्ज कर रहे हो ऑफ सीजन्स में रेंट हाफ चार्ज होने वाला है, इतना हमको इंफॉर्मेशन मालूम है. तो कैन आई से सीजन्स रेंट, कैन आई अज्यूम सीजन्स रेंट इज एक्स, तो ऑफ सीजन्स रेंट विल बी हाफ ऑफ एक्स. Okay, if I assume season's rent to be x, because I don't know season rent also, that is what even I have to find. So if I say my season rent is rupees x, then my off season rent will become x into 1 by 2. Everyone got this point clear? Is this clear? Okay, fine. Okay, so x plus half of x is equal to कितना है मेरा रूम रेंट? 17,73,000. So this is my equation. Okay, fine. Understood. Many people. Fine. Great. Okay. So X, that is my selling price. I have assumed seasonal rent to be rupees X, and my what do you call, off season's rent is half of X, equal to my room rent for the entire year is 17,73,000 is my revenue. ठीक है. ये क्या है? ये सेल्स है. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बता रही हूँ. ये सेल्स बोलते हैं हम इसको, बट होटल कौशिक में आई कैन नॉट यूज द वर्ड सेल्स. आई हैव टू राइट अ टर्मिनोलॉजी which is similar to sales, and that is revenue. Revenue is further written as room rent or room tariff. Okay, so sales कैसे मिलता है बच्चा आप लोगों को? Selling quantity multiplied with selling price. Yes or no? How do you get sales? Selling quantity multiplied with selling price. Correct? हाँ. Now look here. मेरे पास सेलिंग प्राइस है, ये रहा, ये मेरा सेलिंग प्राइस है, बट मेरे पास सेलिंग क्वांटिटी नहीं है. ओके, फाइन. तो सेलिंग प्राइस मल्टीप्लाइड विद सेलिंग क्वांटिटी इज इक्वल टू सेल्स. ओके, तो सेलिंग प्राइस तो आई जस्ट assumed it to be x, and the other selling price I have assumed half of x. Now where is this selling quantity? Anyone can have a guesswork? SQ, selling quantity, that is rooms, number of rooms. How to calculate that? How much is SQ in this question? Anyone? How much is the selling quantity in the question? Now we explained you the entire equation. Now tell me, where is SQ in the question? Selling quantity is how much? Sayantan, बच्चा वो रेट है 164.17 is the single room rent per day. That is the revenue element per day. I am asking how much is SQ, selling quantity. I'm asking quantity. You have to quantify. Anyone? How much is the selling quantity? See, these sums becomes easy when you do Kaushik. Kaushik में क्या होता है? Quantity sold, quantity produced दिया रहता है. So there we don't have to think much. Selling quantity multiplied with selling price gives that sales. What about here? Prachi said 10,800. Yeah, Prachi, very good. Yeah. So just very good, Prachi. So that is our selling quantity. Number of room days, our working note number 1. Okay, this one I'm talking about. This one. Yes. ठीक है, अभी समझ में आया? तो जो हम ये कैलकुलेट करते हैं, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ सिंगल रूम डेज, दिस इज नथिंग बट द क्वांटिटी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेलिंग क्वांटिटी इफ यू रिलेटेड विद कॉशीट कैस 1. ओके, सो ये रहा, दिस इज माय seasonal selling quantity and this is my off season selling quantity, 7,200 and 3,600. Okay, fine. So now can I write it like this? 3,600 selling quantity multiplied, and here, sorry, it is 7,200. I'm so sorry, students. Yeah, 7,200 selling quantity of seasons SQ multiplied with selling price rupees X. Of seasons 3,600 SQ multiplied with selling price half of X. Is this equation clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the equation clear? Shali, what have you written 50? What is that? I mean, what doubt you have? Okay, SQ. SQ means selling quantity, sales quantity. Okay, right? Okay, fine. Shali, not an issue. Okay, so is the equation clear to everyone? Oh, fine. So I am deleting this right now. Okay, so now write it here like this. Okay, this working note number 4. Write it like this, because all that you don't have to write in exam, right? So this is one. Yeah. Room rent is season's rent plus off season's rent. Yeah, students, start giving your attendance also simultaneously in the chat box. We have last 8 minutes with us. Yeah. Okay. And do note down the points which I have written in the, I mean, just a minute. Okay, fine. Yeah. Do note down these points. Yeah. Room rent, seasons plus off seasons. So seasons rent plus off seasons rent is equal to room rent. Okay. Then assume seasons rent to be X, I mean rupees X. I hope आप लोगों को मैथ्स आता है, लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने को आता है, right? Yeah. 7,200x. समझा ना? How do you get 7,200x? Yeah, selling quantity multiplied with selling price वाला concept. And off seasons rent is half of X, that is my selling price, and 3,600 is my selling quantity. Here, solve this equation. 2 ones are, and this will become 1,800. Correct? I hope you all know all this. Huh? You should, I mean, basic maths. Okay, so we will get 1,800x. So 7,200 plus 1,800 is 9,000x. Okay, 17,73,000 divided by 9,000. X is 197. And what was X? Season's rent was X. So my season's rent answer is 197. And rent of the off seasons बोला है, सीधा half हो जाएगा. तो 197 का half कर दो, divide by 2. So 98.5.